everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing if you are interested in learning from non-fiction books. I mostly share and talk about non-fiction books based on business, self-help, productivity, yoga, meditation, health, fitness, and a lot more.
Habit of reading is one of the best qualities that a person can possess. Books are known to be your best friend for a reason. Reading books can help you become confident, reduce your stress, and put you in a better mood. Once you start reading books and make it your habit, you will eventually get addicted to it. So no matter how busy you get, do not forget to make time for you and your books. Now, if you are a person who does not read, well, it's never too late to start. In this video, I'll share some of the tips that help me become a good reader.
The first step of building a new habit is set yourself to succeed. The first thing you do is to pick your laptop and start working. So keep the book on the top of the laptop so that before you start picking up the laptop to work, you see your book and think, yeah, I need to start reading a book daily. I always keep a copy of the book that I'm reading on the top of my laptop so that the first thing I do in the morning is read book. I have since reading has already become a very important habit and it is very important part of my life right now. I don't struggle reading a book. I read one book. I complete one book in 2 weeks. But when I was a beginner, I used to struggle a lot. If I used to keep the books on the shelf, I never used to read the book. So keep the thing accessible.
The power of your why is what gets you to stick through. All of the hows will be meaningless until your whys are powerful enough. So write down why you want to start reading book and why you want to make it your habit. So let me share with you why I read books. I gain a lot of knowledge and expertise in a certain domain. Books has helped me build up my confidence, helped me build good habits, helped me strengthen my desire to be successful, and gave me a new way to life. And it has also opened different perspective to life for me. Reading opens a different positive mindset and shows you the real positive world where nothing is impossible. Reading converts I can't attitude to I can attitude. Reading makes you understand in this world nothing is impossible and you can do anything if you believe in yourself, and how positivity can bring changes to your life and also to this world. So have a very strong why you want to read book. One mistake that we make is picking up a genre that we are not interested in. The first rule in choosing books is to read what you like. This may seem little odd advice to begin with, but this is very important. I initially picked up reading fiction and I hated it. I read 10-15 pages and then didn't feel like reading anymore. I thought reading books was not for me and I gave up on reading. But then I decided to read the non-fiction category and fell in love with reading. I read books on business, self-help, product, technology, management, and a lot of other categories that I find interesting. Identify your own taste and interest. Identify what you love and not what others are suggesting you. If you see anything that looks appealing, pick it up and read the back of the book. Skim over the back of the book or the inside flap, wherever the summary is. If that holds your attention, read the first pages or so. If it still holds your attention, then probably that's a good book for you. This is how you will figure out what you are interested in. Reading fiction or non-fiction has its own advantages.
Sharing whatever you are reading. Like I used to maintain a blog on WordPress. I used to read a book and then discuss and talk about the learnings from the books there. So by having a blog, you might get a motivation to at least read a book and share the learnings from that book. And the last point is a secret point that helped me a lot when I was a beginner in reading a book. Read for just 5 minutes daily. Reading just 5 minutes daily can build this habit of reading, and when you read for just 5 minutes, you get push, and you can continue further as well. If you read for 5 minutes daily, you can complete one book in a month, depending on your reading speed, of course, but at least you'll be able to complete one book in 2 or 3 months if you consistently read for just 5 minutes daily. It's better to complete one book rather than not completing or not even picking up to read a book.
Join a community of book readers who talks about books. Birds of feather flock together. The purpose of any club is to bring a community together and to learn about and discuss something that matters to them. And a book community is no different. Staying in a community where you see people reading gives you a push to read more. You're constantly motivated to read. You get to know about other books as well, and picking up what to read next becomes easier with the help of book recommendation. I have started a community on Instagram to keep anyone who is interested in reading motivated. I share books that I read and learnings from the books on Instagram. You can connect with me and write to me any queries you have. I would love to solve them. These small changes can be a game changer for you. Try to implement these tips one by one and you will definitely see changes in your life. Small choices we make daily have a compounding effect in our life. It is never too late to pick up a good habit, and reading books is one habit that is common among most of the successful people. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Write down in comments which tip you like the most. Do share this video with someone struggling to read books, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more such useful book related content. Thank you.